Who knew that making biscuits was so easy? The answer is you after watching this video. In a medium bowl, stir together flour, baking powder, and salt. Now add cold, unsalted butter cut into small cubes and use 2 butter knives to cut it into the flour mixture. The butter needs to be cold in order to get that ideal flaky texture. Once the mixture resembles a coarse meal, you can pour in milk and mix it until it's just combined. Transfer to a floured surface and use your hands to bring the dough together. Be careful not to overwork it though, you don't want tough biscuits. You could roll the dough and cut your biscuits now, but I like to fold the dough over itself a few more times to make some extra layers. Once you have the dough rolled out, use a cookie cutter or the edge of a glass to cut out circles, then transfer them to a lined baking sheet. Bake your biscuits at 450 for 13 to 15 minutes. Seriously, have you ever seen anything more satisfying? When they're done, serve them warm with your favorite soup or just as a little snack. Subscribe to Dished for more delicious recipes.